Picture us rolling in a roach, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go ghost, yeah. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be doing a very detailed beginner-friendly ball cap method. If you guys haven't checked out this video when Mo was installing my hair, I will leave the link above the video, and I'll also leave the link down below if you guys didn't get to it. You guys should definitely go check it out. It's very beginner friendly. It's so easy, y'all. Like, y'all don't always have to go to a hairstylist to like get your hair done when you could literally do it yourself. But this ball cap method, guys, like, is something that we all weren't doing back then. This is a very updated ball cap method, because a ball cap method is so important when it comes to trying to master a meltdown lace. And I feel like a lot of people don't understand that. However, I know a lot of people don't like the ball cap method and stuff like that. Sometimes I don't wear it and sometimes I do, but you always get like a better meltdown with it, in my opinion. But again, so right now she was just, you know, pushing back my natural hair, you know, not in the way and stuff. And then now I was just applying this cap, y'all. The reason I had to do it because this cap was so tight, so I definitely got the wrong stocking cap. Okay, so this is step one, is the cap that you use. So the cap that I'm using is a transparent, I think it's like a transparent sheer stocking cap. It's not like a wig cap. It's a stocking cap that goes like a knee cap, if you know what I mean. So this is a knee cap. It sounds weird saying that, knee cap, I don't know, but knee stocking cap. And you have to get the light brown. I think this was a light brown, and make sure that it's sheer. And the sheer part is so important because that is what will make or break your lace. Like, you need it to be sheer so that it will literally be invisible, y'all. So now what she's doing is applying Got2be glue spray, you know, just the regular degular, like we all know this part and stuff like that. And she's just blow drying it and stuff like that to make sure that it's dried. So I think that's the first step to get, is the type of cap you're using. Do not go and get the wig cap, because it just won't melt as good as you want it to. So get the knee stocking cap and make sure that it's sheer. This is the brand that I use. I bought this cap from Walmart, and it literally have 20 pairs, like 20 stocking cap for like $5. It was like $5, so you save a lot of money. So I just showed you guys how it's sheer, and it says that it's sheer, so make sure you guys get sheer. I'm telling you guys, sheer. So right now we're just doing exactly what we've been doing prior and back then. Typical, nothing new. So yeah. Okay, so in this step would be the second step to, you know, ensure that you have the best ball cap method, period, is using a razor. Mo did go in to use the scissor just to, I'm gonna show y'all later. We gonna get into that. So right now she's just using a fresh razor. You want to use a fresh razor, like a fresh razor. Like, you can't use this razor and then use it to cut the lace. Like, you gotta use two different razors. So yeah, make sure the razor is like really fresh, because I think what the razor do, it gives you like a very clean look instead of going in with the scissors and stuff like that. So, and that's what it's doing. Like, you guys see that it's definitely clean. Okay, nothing is lifting, nothing is moving back, everything is, you know, perfect. And this is where she would go in with the scissors just to go back and pick out the little cap that is not staying. And that's the only time that you would want to use the scissors, just to get the little, you know, just to fix it a little bit, you know. So yeah, any little, like, you see those little things that are sticking out, remove them. Like, you don't want them. So she's just getting like a finished, clean ball cap, so that everything, so basically our next step will lay so much better, which is coming up right now. Y'all, so this is the most important step. Like, you literally cannot miss this step. You just can't skip it. So basically what Mo is doing is she's going in with the Got2be glue spray and she's applying it on her fingers, and then she's going back with the lace like on the edges to seal. So here's a clip right here, and then I'm gonna get up close, personal. Hold on, here you go. And she's basically taking the blow dryer with her fingers and she's sealing the edge of the edge part of the cap, and that will give you like that melt down lace. Instead of having those white bridge on the ends and stuff that's sticking out, this will literally change the game. A lot of hairstylists taught her this. Like, she's been to 2 hair class, and they all told her to do this, and we've definitely been seeing a huge difference with this step. So do not skip this step, y'all. I know y'all love to be skipping and stuff, so do not skip this thing. Like, all this stuff that I'm giving y'all is, you just can't skip it. First of all, you have to really buy that sheer cap. Second, what was the second step that I taught you guys? Oh, second step was the razor, and then the third step is to apply the Got2be glue spray on your fingers to seal the edge of the cap. All right. So now we're just cleaning my surface and stuff like that, just so that we can remove all the gooey things like the spray, just everything, makeup. And she's just going back again just to make sure that those little parts of like the edge cap is removed, because that thing literally bothers me. So yeah, she's just cleaning everything just to make it perfect. Like, it don't gotta be perfect, but it low-key kind of gotta be perfect. So then now she's going in with Maybelline foundation. I know a lot of people would not want you to use foundation, but we just like to use foundation. And on top of that, I don't leave my lace for too long. So yeah, maybe if you want to have more longevity with your lace, I would suggest you maybe use powder or something like that, something that don't have any oil, but all foundation has oil. Little do you know. So you know, I'm just cutting that little part on the top because that thing was bothering me. And honestly, guys, like, this is it, y'all. She's just removing little foundations and stuff like that. But y'all, this is it. Like, your lace will be melt like what lace, period. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. And bye, y'all.